Today, I'll show you how to enable dark theme in Microsoft Outlook. If you prefer a darker look that feels easier on the eyes, Outlook includes a built-in dark mode. Microsoft says dark mode is available in Outlook, but the exact steps can vary depending on whether you're using Classic Outlook, New Outlook, Outlook on the web, or Outlook on Mac. In Outlook on the web and New Outlook, Microsoft says you can change it from Settings, then General, then Appearance. Let's start with the easiest method for New Outlook or Outlook on the web. Open Outlook, then click the Settings icon in the top right corner. After that, go to General, then Appearance. Under Dark Mode, choose Dark. Microsoft also says you can choose Light or use System Settings if you want Outlook to follow your computer's current theme automatically. Now, if you're using Classic Outlook for Windows, the path is a little different. Microsoft says you should go to File, then Office Account, and under Office Theme, choose Black. That turns on the dark theme for Outlook and also applies that Microsoft 365 theme across other Office desktop apps on the computer. If you're on a Mac, Microsoft says Outlook has its own appearance options too. Open Outlook, choose Outlook, then Preferences, then General. There, you can choose Light, Dark, or System. Microsoft notes that System matches your Mac's current appearance setting, while Dark keeps Outlook in dark mode regardless of your Mac setting. There's also one helpful detail to remember. In Outlook, dark mode for the app and dark background for the message window are related, but not always the same. Microsoft says that when reading or composing a message, you may see a button that switches the message background between light and dark. So even if Outlook itself is dark, you can still make the email reading area white if you prefer. So, in simple terms, open Outlook settings, find Appearance or Office Theme, and choose dark or black depending on your version. That's the built-in way to enable dark theme in Microsoft Outlook, and that's how to enable dark theme in Microsoft Outlook. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.